is for ambulance, ambulance. B is for bomb squad truck, bomb squad truck. C is for command vehicle, command vehicle. D is for dive rescue truck, dive rescue truck. E is for emergency response unit, emergency response unit, emergency response unit. F is for fire truck, fire truck. G is for gas leak repair truck, gas leak repair truck. H is for helicopter rescue, helicopter. I is for incident response van, incident response van. J is for jail transport vehicle, jail transport vehicle. K is for canine unit truck, canine unit truck. L is for ladder truck, ladder truck. M is for mobile command center, the mobile command center. N is for naval rescue boat, and naval rescue boat. O is for off-road emergency vehicle, off-road emergency vehicle. P is for police car, a police car. Q is for quick response vehicle, quick response vehicle. R is for rescue helicopter, rescue helicopter. S is for snow plow truck, a snow plow truck. The tow truck. T is for tow truck, the tow truck. U is for utility truck, utility truck. V is for volunteer response vehicle, volunteer response vehicle. W is for water tanker truck, double water tanker truck. X is for X-ray emergency truck, X-ray emergency truck. Y is for yellow fire truck, yellow fire truck. C is for zonal medical vehicle, zonal medical vehicle.